friends, welcome to Technical Programming AK. In this video I will show you how to use while statement, which is another conditional statement. In the previous video we had seen that how to use for loop, which is also a conditional statement, and while loop is also a conditional statement. So I will show you what's the difference between them. So in the for loop we had given some definitions in it, that I equal to 0, then some range of it, and then increment. But in while loop we need to only give the range. So here if I type int I equals to 10 and just type in while, so it's like a if and for loop combination. So when we will combine if and for loop, while loop will be created. Just type in printf. Wait a second. So while, now inside this we need to give one condition. So we will give that whenever I will be equal to 10, so this loop will be executed. So this loop will be an infinite loop, so it will be executed when until the I changes its value from 10. So here I is constant, it is given as 10, so it will be an infinite loop. Just give the semicolon and execute, and we can see that this is printing ham. So this is the while loop. So if we want to terminate this loop, just write a statement known as break. So what we need to do is that it will break this loop, so that this will be executed only once. Click on run and it will be executed once. So this becomes the for loop. So we can if loop. So if we want to make this while loop to work as if, then just type in break statement. So it will. Another way to execute while is to use do while. So it will first check the condition if it is true, and do. So it would be the same like the earlier. Just type in printf. Hello. Two semicolons with two brackets. Just give a semicolon, so it will check, and after this while loop you have to use semicolon in do while statement, not in while statement. In do while statement you have to use semicolon after the while statement. Just execute it. So it's giving us semicolon. So this is how we can use do while and while loop. So in do while it will check the condition and do this. So for today this is it. For next video, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technical Programming AK. Bye.